Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Glimpse image editor on Linux. So if you go to the download page, you can see there's a ton of different options. In this guide, we're going to cover the Flatpak installation, but there are other ways you can get it going as well. To start off, open up a terminal. From here, you can do Flatpak search Glimpse editor. And we'll run a search, and we maximize. Let me run this search again. You can see glimpses right here. You can copy this application ID, and you do sudo flatpak install glimpse, and then do a tac y just to auto accept the stuff that will come up like so. And it's going to install all of the required files. Flatpak is the preferred method of installation, as I said. Glimpse doesn't have packages for every distribution. They don't see a point. They just rather distribute it this way. And I kind of like that because it means that there's one installation method and Flatpak integrates nicely into most desktop environments. So easy to get going. Once you've done that, you can open up your app menu, type in Glimpse right there, and open it up. Now, I actually prefer Glimpse. I end up using image editors a lot on the site for thumbnails and for screenshots and such, and I prefer Glimpse. It's the same as GIMP, I guess, but I just like the icon better and customization and stuff, so I use it. But that's how you get Glimpse working on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you in the next one.